The village of Elderglen had always been whispered about a place where the lanterns lining the cobbled streets glowed a little brighter during winter nights. Some believed the lights held magic, while others claimed they were mere tricks of the cold wind. For Mira, the lanterns were more than just glowing glass, they were her father's last creation before he vanished one stormy evening. Ever since, she had kept one of those lanterns by her window, lighting it every night in his memory. One evening, as Mira placed her lantern on the windowsill, she noticed a shadow outside. A young man stood beneath the flickering light. His cloak was worn, his boots caked with mud, yet his eyes glowed with the warmth of someone familiar. "You light the lantern every night," he said softly. "Why?" Mira hesitated. "I suppose I'm hoping someone will find their way home." The stranger smiled faintly. "Maybe someone already has." Mira spots the young man again. This time, he carried a lantern of his own, one crafted in the exact pattern her father once used. "Where did you get that?" she asked, her voice trembling. "My father found it years ago," he replied. "He said it belonged to a man who saved him during a storm, a man who promised to return but never did." Mira's heart raced. That man was my father. The stranger, whose name was Elias, had been searching for the family of the man who once saved his father. As spring warmed the air, Mira and Elias stood beneath her window once more. The lantern flickered, then burned brighter than ever before, as if a forgotten promise had been fulfilled. "I think he's home now," Elias whispered. And as Mira reached for his hand, the warmth between their fingers felt like the lantern's glow, steady, bright, and filled with quiet magic.